Hello and welcome to Nomadik Customs. We are a custom van builder out of Portland, Oregon here, and we often get asked why custom, and what I would best say to that is we get the opportunity to really listen to our client and determine what layout you want, what materials you want, how you want it to look. But also we get to delve into more personal issues, like for instance our customer in this van needed to have access for a CPAP machine. So customization gives us the opportunity to be able to really listen to what the client needs, wants, and desires are, and then we try our hardest to implement the best outcome from that. So that's kind of what we're about here at Nomadik Customs. This is our latest van build that we did for our client. We put some personal touches. She really loves the moon and phases of the moon, as well as some of these nice semicircles and just soft edges, and kind of tried to stay neutral in our interior design so that she could put pops of color in with pillows and blankets and that sort of thing. And then we also catered specifically to what her needs were. So a step for her dog to get up into bed, like I mentioned, an area for the CPAP machine to live and also be able to get tucked away so it wasn't just hanging out on the countertop or whatever. We met some of the power needs that we needed to do. We did a just an air top heater in here, so we don't have hot water or radiant heat flooring, but she decided that she didn't want either of those as well. So again, that's kind of why we come back to the custom aspect of things, is we really cater to, we build with you for you, and come out with basically what we have here in the end. So enjoy. If you have any questions or concerns, or see something that you like, please comment and like and subscribe, and then reach out to us via email or on our website, and we'd be happy to chat with you and see what we can come up with. All right, for now, enjoy the tour, and we'll look forward to chatting with you soon. Thanks.